Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Pablo. In this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Android phone internet to your computer. So I'll be showing you 3 different ways. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's just go straight into the video. So what you want to do now is to plug your USB cable into your laptop and then plug it into your phone. So after plugging it into your phone, just slide your phone and then you're going to see this option. Click on it, click on USB tethering. But if you don't see this option on your phone, just watch this video, you'll see this option in the next step. So now for the second step, all you want to do is to plug in your charger into your phone and your computer. Now go to setting, click on setting. Next thing you want to do is to click on connection. So click on connection, look for mobile hotspot and tethering, click on it and then click on USB tethering. Now turn on your internet and then you can use your computer to browse the internet. So now for the third step, what you want to do is to connect your charger to your computer and then plug it into your phone. Go to setting, scroll down all the way to the end of your setting, you will find about phone. Click on about phone and then you will see software information. Click on software information, then you see build number. Click on build number 5 times and then you will enable a developer option by entering your password if you have a security. So after enabling your developer option, just take one step back, take another step back, and then you're gonna see your developer option will appear. Click on it. Now into your developer option setting, you're just gonna scroll down until keep scrolling down until you find this is it. Until you find a USB configuration. So you want to set the default to USB tethering, where if you set this option, anytime you plug in your phone to your computer, you're just going to turn on your internet and you're going to browse. No need to set tethering through setting or whatsoever. Thanks so much. Please like, share and comment.